Go soldier camps, barracks remains the same. And Reggie, I'm a sponsor, I'm a toy, no space neither. But as I say, no, I call you for free, for and the way you man, and information are ever no. Information be a be some way. I even never church. I got us back to Kumasa Santa Kotoko. No, Nioma made it, no, Nioma made it, no. In terms of number of mansa opeso obebo Kotoko no enye suitable to Kumasi Asante Kotoko me de no kwene de asem no da ho ana maka de matin no enye pleasant for Kotoko. How long are these players continuing to use Asante Kotoko as a stepping stone? A question any yebisa. How long? And na tell me a players he ba no mo use Kotoko no mo de no mo de ko ha ne ade. According to a deep throat information, you know, Agada's return to Kumasi Asante Kotoko, everything is sealed. Name no player names stay on number of months. Months no issue. As some I cast a place near sign for more years. No. Yen sign for more years. No. Say no back. No, why not just say or back for a short stint. Me pacho Super 24 TV. Me a made it to my dear as usual. Unim day Obe join a Kotoko reaction or 0247 107260 Kotoko reaction 0247 107260 joining that me found to so Comodina Shasi or hope so join here. We join here Robert Tuso. I got that sense mono and me cousin 70 be more de any be musunya de demu de no. It's about Samba or no. Some agreement is on the verge of being made. With the whole insights, no, bro. Now, quickly before I run you through the stories, no, and the date's near 21st of November 2025, the year of our Lord. Let's take this message as a light for our path. And then, Juma Mubarak. Yes. It's you dear you. And then Juma Mubarak. Now, young message we nante as a light power. There is no individual else as no matter how rich. Me who any ubia kase I did it all alone. Say me yourself independent. No way. When you look at all the successful stories we are seeing in terms of athletes, in terms of business, in terms of politics, these figures, no one did it alone. Say, I'm self-made. At some point in your journey, you need people. That is why it is not shameful to ask for support. We are saying the way biano, and him go say bia him say obebusa support. You need support. You need benevolence. You need people who will guide you. Usa o ye wo no ye kire o nante ye kire o kasa ye kire o didie ni nyina na eye obi enya wa na wudu nyansa esuaye. This is the world that you living in. It's inside you in tema we fast. But to do a why no change train me de menko he unko a untimi nye hui. Gofo bi omunya talent kitu bi omunim so talent fia no eno na de omoko. You need people. So today let's take this message as a light for our path. And then super no enti asefie enti asem ba ye de mu ejire mu bra. I don't know. Kotoko ne young apostle born. Young apostle goalkeeper and your friend Frank Boateng. Frank Boateng, experienced goalkeeper, Premier League. You are them. Frank Boateng, and after a game, all day in Simbi Tuja, I think the name Sama all can also are very careful. Ofili say their club were cheated and the penalty wasn't penalty. Frank Boateng, some of these utterances, umekia, it may come back to hurt you. Just accept the fact, say you've lost. Be a sportsman. Nija is our commentaries where Emma the supporters and the fans. So me tell Frank Boateng akasa I was very not happy actually about Frank Boateng or her relationship with some of us and then now overcast same way say virtually the game was like you were being robbed. Wow, it was a clear penalty. So where's the point say you were being robbed near there? Now, Frank Boateng as a more kind for Omu coach there, we're moving on. Omu coach here, Coach Abu Hanan. Oh no, he's now focusing on the next game, which they will play against House of Folk. And a press conference, Ibusa no only or say he's not going to talk about it. We has a more use policy no managing hope. You just have to reserve your comments. Ubintwi etuansi uso say chinchina ka bibi fa ho wanka ho asem na ono koka game a eda omanim which is against a House of Folk and oka say they are going to make up the lose with the House of Folk game because they are going to make up let us say they are going to redeem their image with the House of Folk game and the House of Folk we there isimusi younger person say Kotoko game no abufuo nyina no mo de ba be hyemu mu unim say na no na Bechem United esake omu coach na zero omukofa new coach by na the new coach is assisted by Yenipa Malam Yaya veteran Malam Yaya ene abedi pele mo ene bobo senior citizens are omo head de muni Malam Yaya ode abedi pele mo ene bobo. Now, Abedi Pele playing mate Malam Yaya said Bechem United no ma be fan this weekend obone media man ebo na kianeke obeshe media man eno no Malam Yaya nsema o kana me be call Kotoko story which is got to do with Agadas na Samba O'Neil very good twister and also Eba from Samba O'Neil but before that and Friday na yewra match the 11 Ghana Premier League so far clubs ni nyina about 10 games with the exception of Asante Kotoko ne Basake Holy Stars about 10 games about 9 games sorry clubs ni nyina about 10 games na so far Kotoko ne Basake nkwa na 9 games enti Kotoko kobo Samates ni wia Samates no more around enyina say Basake area on anti Kotoko besa agbo the following fixture no away which is the outstanding nemo no weekend we no fixtures ni say net here Saturday na ase Saturday no Midiama ene Bechem United ene bebo Takwa stadium ho now Saturday na bi no Karela United ene Basake Holy Stars ene bebo that's Saturday na yewra 23rd November 2025 Sunday fixtures ni Dreams FC ene Swedro All Blacks ene bebo Ghana Premier League for this Umbe Dreams FC game no na Mediama game no so mayi this weekend games Umbe ni na just Kotoko game no Emma TV this weekend against Samates Hoho United ene 11 Wonders ene bebo na Vision FC atnafie ni eje Kraku stadium ho one Heart of Lions a stadium ho na omakofa sa AstroTurf green grass bi ananze ukọ wedding bride no ene groom no eno na omo faso no sa hadi ni bi na omo stadium ho Ghana football simple Adriana FC ene Brekum Chelsea ene bebo Adriana FC ene Brekum Chelsea ene bebo Nana Ajeman Badu Park na Nations FC ene Gold Stars enso ene Ayamso Dr. Kwame Che Sports Complex me bomba se nation be shepa any nation that diploma o se bomba na omo she Gold Stars for no Young Apostles ene House of Folk in the house be call Wenchi Sports Stadium. Ye can Wenchi Sports Stadium. We can say Sports Stadium kesi bi. Ghana. Na FC Samates atena fie ewo Nsenchire Sports Arena. Omo ne Asante Kotoko. Omo nso Nsenchire Sports Arena. Obeka se de obekọ ho basketball court wo ho, obeka se de tennis ball court wo ho, obeka se swimming pool bi wo ho. Ade ya Nsenchire Sports Complex. Nti ya no ne fixtures no. Afi yenko Asante Kotoko. Based on nkomodi a eba ne se Samba Unel. Na adwen se free Kotoko. Abra Kotoko enya hwe. The player has done a retrospective analysis of situation. And I realize say oba Kotoko no in the last 1.5 years no. The din and then the stock market value no akosoro. Inti enya de a in the event say wenya akwenya say ene or team kesiye bi diska kesiye aba obetena ho ama ade no aso. So Samba and the manager no Isaac Kujo, they are actually considering an idea say they are going to have a retalk with Asante Kotoko on the basis say player no at the end of the season no enya de obeto aso abobo amakotoko bio na emom no omo ede Kotoko ebetimi a extend the contract no said ye be ya send move away from Kotoko no or kwa the purchasing club in this contest they call the purchasing club the mother club in this contest near Kotoko. But some other club no player need free on the contract as one oko free. Into the purchasing club no sa or top player no na the mother club no contractor. The onus lies on the purchasing club to pay out. Anona Brunika say buy out clause. Into Kotoko any Samba Unel, any manager na yo madwen say ombe manufacture bibisa. Inti sa at the end of 2026 league season no June mu ho na the contract ne beso no. Ebeduro na o ma renew no. Inti so mu renew na onye free agent. Inti sa purchasing club no fana he will have to also pay purchasing club no ebetwa signing on fee for Samba player na ankasa. Na fe purchasing club no asa etwa transfer fee for the mother club of Samba Unel. This is the arrangement I was brief and I'm going to say boy no adwempa oni tiri. Adwempa e oni tiri. Yembo mpa say idea omo na cha no ebitimi abam sa afi mamenko former Kotoko captain. Former Asante Kotoko captain Agadas ayedija Agadas na confirm say one Kotoko ye training na ade ba ko asese no abeye ade Kotoko ene no en agree as we speak aye the number of years. Also in the past few months, oko reaction so oko Kotoko pages biya so a nkomodie na I say players no ye sign omo yen sign omo for more years. Na Agadas come back na Obano. According to a deep truth information I'm inside na mamimumu. And they say Agadas per se oba back. Now only Asante Kotoko be complete season. Let me tell what I say. The number of years our person oba no ebe bono we are told say our person obe sign half a season, 6 months. Now obe kunu ho bwa. Into 6 months no. Or sign in January and I say December. By June next year na be inti egbewie ya wabebo Kotoko no so de likely say the stock value no ebesa akoso transfer market no the stock value besa akoso nti ekosoro a den a 6 months ne be wi a what's the likely option afina yen sane ne nkotena ase na yen hwe sa obe extend dia eno na Kotokofo mpanyifo position ne say master sa o babaka ene adentina ze no yen san o permanently me hu say ya san wo ye ede ani 6 months dwedie be na opesi edi nti eno ene the only thing as you say no akoye menkasere see akwan they've not reached an agreement on the number of years and I say the period that Kotoko esa sign on omone no aka sikasem medically bibia ticked green nemu no dia aka Kotoko hu ni say emmoa 6 months seminar player ne camp no 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 the onus lies back on Agadans and then ni pa na say chale Kotoko say ne dey 6 months ne dey emmoa inti yen sign say 2.5 years ana no matter the maybe and I say sign ne dey half be so Kotoko sign also sign either 1.5 year because who sign obi January and I'm say season be we June no contract players football season no June any sign players it is I sign obi January I mean say that person e be so paper or say o de half so into January is Kotoko be sign I bet say half of that so either say 6 months no Kotoko be dia 2 and also be 1.5 and I say 2.5 I don't need information yensa aka na okra no boss ozo adwen e o sen me entonka